pay attention to this video, okay? Because I'm going to show you how to turn garbage into gold with one click of your mouse. All right, watch this. With one click of your mouse, you're going to take this garbage indicator nonsense chart, right? And with one click, you're going to turn this chart into this chart over here. All right, folks, you see the difference between garbage and gold, right? Here's the S&P 500 from today, and I also have the NASDAQ queued up for you today. Now look, guys, I really wanted to do this special video for you today because we are gearing up for Q4 of the year, right? I know that you're kind of shocked at how fast this year is flying, you and me both, right? But listen to this and listen to this closely. I am predicting that over the next 12 weeks, which is the fall season and the Q4 part of the year, okay? I am predicting that the next 12 weeks is going to be simply spectacular. I believe that the volatility is about to explode, and we are going to see 1,000 tick days, maybe 2,000 tick days, almost regularly. Okay, and think about it, right? No matter what anybody says, the economy is not doing well. Okay, people are still struggling. Everything is expensive, right? And even worse, we've got two main issues that are not resolved. Number one, interest rates are still through the roof. It's insane. There's going to be some type of huge break in the system. But even more important than that, we have a government shutdown right around the corner. And what do you think that's going to do to the market, right? It's going to explode the volatility in the market. And that's going to give us professional traders the opportunities of a lifetime. All right, folks. So that is why I wanted to do this video for you today. Not just for the fact that, yeah, the volume indicator continued to nail it today. We got some beautiful trends from today. And what I really want you to take away, man, from this video and all the videos that I do for your guys' viewing pleasure each and every day. I work hard at doing these videos, okay? And the only thing I ask in return is that you join the debate with respect to trading volume. I am telling you, guys and gals, and every single one of my customers and clients will attest to this, there's no substitute for the ability to trade volume. I mean, I was cracking a joke earlier when I said, you know, you can turn garbage into gold. But this is the truth. You simply cannot beat a volume-based strategy. That's what these color bands do, because volume is the only thing that will tell you the truth. Not stochastics, not candlesticks, not any of this nonsense, right? Volume is the one all be all. This is the NASDAQ from today, S&P from today. I know you guys love trading both of these symbols. And while the average retail amateur trader probably had a chop day with his garbage charts, the rest of us, man, we killed it again using volume. So anyway, guys, mark my words, you heard it here first. The next 12 weeks, I am predicting to be simply explosive trading the market. I think volume is going to be the leading indicator that we're all going to be able to use very successfully and hopefully very profitably, okay? And I'm so grateful each and every day for all of the feedback that all you guys and gals provide to me from live trading with the software. It's an absolute pleasure to finally bring you a trading system that is logical, mechanical, rule-based, and consistent. So stay focused, stay disciplined, and let's go get it. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.